Top of the morning, boys. We have a beautiful, exciting video for you today. In front of us is the Traxxas Trx-4 Bronco. And for this beautiful girl in front of me, we have exciting news, products, and topics to talk about with this thing. Let's dive into today's video. Boys, thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a wonderful day, morning, night, afternoon, whenever and however you watch this video. Hope you're having an awesome morning like me. Got my beautiful Black Rifle coffee here in my Joy Christmas theme mug Kaytlyn got me. Beautiful, beautiful guys, love it. You know that I was looking at some analytics the other day and that, it's pretty good, Black Rifle coffee. Also large superfood coffee. You know, I kind of switched up. It's got some mushroom coffee with some lion's mane, different functional mushrooms, help your brain activity, make you make awesome RC stuff. It's pretty good. Check it out, guys. Not sponsored, by the way. Not sponsored. Just love their products. Shout them out. But did you know,
Did you know that disco record sales were up
80% of you guys, arguably like 82.7 or something, the technical term,
in fact, I made a graph,
are now subscribed to the QCRC YouTube channel. And I'm just in shock as much as you guys are. I mean, mind blown, really. Can you believe that? Guys, if you enjoy this stuff, if I provide you the tiniest inkling of value, entertainment, laughter, or just knowledge and wisdom,
I think you and I are gonna get along.
hit that subscribe button, man. Come on. It brings us value to provide better stuff to you, the opportunity to grow and give you better stuff and all, which all around turns around, makes 360, which helps everybody. Helps us, helps you, revolves and helps everybody, guys. So if you can do us a big favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you're feeling really frisky, hit that notification bell. Alright, enough of all the mumbo jumbo. In today's video, I have for you this beautiful Trx-4 Bronco. This is my wonderful wife, Kaytlyn's car. This is kind of a trade deal. She got me the Sin F250 behind me, and I got a Bronco. So with this being said, this girl is completely bone stock. We have stock electronics in here. We have stock remote we're using with it, stock wheels, tires, everything. And you know, all of my trucks are, well, nothing on those is stock, so I felt like it was time and well overdue for her to get some upgrades. So didn't see a lot of upgrades that we liked necessarily, or that were offered as much. It's gonna be a trend, if you notice, of Trx-4 products coming out for the Bronco, for some other stuff. Chase has some products coming out, Brad's working on a few behind the scenes, and then of course yours truly's working on some. But you know, other than taking this front bumper off, which guys, it helped tremendously, let me tell you, it helped tremendously. What we're doing here, if you notice the thumbnail, the title, and kind of our little intro, we are talking about this beautiful roof rack on the top of this Trx-4 Bronco. Now I've made a roof rack for the beautiful Vanquish Phoenix sitting here behind me. We are doing version 2 coming out very, very soon for you guys. Better price, better quality, and just looks a whole lot better, kind of themed off of this. More product space to put stuff on here, put tires, put jacks, put scale accessories, put, you know, traction boards, whatever you guys want to put on there. Tons of room, tons of places to put stuff. Coming out for that as well very shortly. We also have another one coming out for a special project I'm not going to tell you yet. And then of course we have the beautiful gym in front of us right here, guys. So this roof rack is going to fit any Trx-4 Bronco, the older Bronco, or you know, the 21 and up style Bronco we have in front of us today. This is going to be a kind of low profile overlanding roof rack is what I'm kind of marketing it as. It is super low profile. It's very slim across the top here. It doesn't really have any protruding angles that could get ripped off, break. It's going to be very sturdy, very solid. I can pick the entire truck up by the roof rack, shake it around, drop it down a hill, and all that good stuff. And I'm getting this video out a little late, and the reason being is I wanted to test this thing. And I go, like, how do you test a roof rack? You test a roof rack by just, you know, testing the roof rack. We took this girl out and did about a mile of trails in its form right here, cleaned it up a little bit, and I rolled this thing, don't tell Kaytlyn, I rolled this thing probably 5 or 6 times down some hills and embankments, trying to get some angles there. It was all fun and games, and I don't have any damage to this roof rack. This is printed in 100% infill in our beautiful very high quality PETG filament. That's why you get a super nice gloss black finish across the top here, across every angle. We are going to offer this in a gray as well. I don't think I'm going to go crazy with the colors and give you guys a blue, pink, purple. I just don't see a need for that. If there is, drop me a comment down below. I'll be happy to change that on the website. But for now, I just think the black and the silver is kind of going to set this off. Silver, I understand, maybe a little off because you don't typically see the silver roof rack, but maybe that's all the more reason to have a silver roof rack. Now, as you can see here with the roof rack, it is very sleek, very slim design, offers a ton of storage space. You got the spare tire on there, you got the little jack mounted on the top. It's looking great on the Bronco, fits all the angles down the side very nicely, fits the roof, contours. This is the long version. We're also going to offer a short version, kind of let you mount it to the back of the truck if you want to. Guys, I'm such a big fan of this. I think cab forward is the way that I like this the most. But look at this thing, dude. I am amazed. Look at this. This is awesome. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love that. It looks freaking sick. It's super easy to mount. Plenty of places to mount it. Forward, backward, middle, wherever you want on the truck, it'll be awesome. I know it's gonna have for plenty of storage for you guys. You guys are gonna love it. You are ready to roll right out of the box and go on all your scale adventures and carry all of your necessary accessories and then some with you on the trail. I couldn't just make it look good. I had to make it functional. I had to make it beautiful. I had to make it work really well. I had to make it look good and mount to the truck flawlessly. We have another version coming for the VS410 Phoenix. We're coming for more trucks coming out. I'm just excited to be doing all this stuff. I'm excited to bring it to you guys, get you guys' feedback, and just be in the industry, be in the market. I love this stuff. I live and breathe it. And I'm super happy to have you guys loving it so much. And as you all are awesome. Thank you so much for joining us for this journey, staying along for this journey and supporting us and helping us get through this journey with flying colors and keep growing and getting bigger. You guys are awesome. Wouldn't be possible without you. Give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. Right here in front of me, I do have the Phoenix version in front of me. This is for all the Vanquish VS410 Phoenix owners out here. Has a beautiful design on the front. We're doing our little thing here, calling this the Packet Overland Roof Rack. I think it's kind of cool. It goes with our theme, QCRC Packet. You know, you're just going to pack it full of things and all the stuff you need for a daily adventure trip on your overlanding rig or just your off-road rig in general. This thing is very sturdy. It does have some flexibility to it, and that is on purpose. It's not because it's cheap, it's because it's on purpose to have that flexibility. That way, I really wanted it to contour to the bodies of the roofs of these trucks. The Bronco is very flat. The Phoenix has some curve to it, a little degree, so I wanted this to be able to curve just a little bit and fit on there perfectly. I can bend it fully, way longer. It's pretty hard right there, and it's still not bending. Same in the center. We can bend it all around. It's just that good infill, guys, on that Bamboo Labs printer. The quality is phenomenal on this thing. We're getting beautiful gloss out of it, and I love it. On the sides here, you're going to see you have 5 access points to kind of attach stuff to. You also have in the center, we have 1 screw, and then in each corner we have a screw mount, and you have 5 beautiful attachment points to screw this thing and secure it to your rig. It's going to offer you all the security, all the stability, and all the confidence to know this thing is not coming off your rig. This roof rack is going to come with all the hardware you need to install this on your vehicle. Come with 5 M3mm screws and 5 M3 nuts to make sure it secures to the body very good. It's going to be pretty self-explanatory. Once you get this thing, you're just going to place it on the roof of the truck wherever your heart desires, slide it back and forth, line it up, take your X-Acto and mark your hole in the center first, then I'd go to each corner and go from there. Once you have those done, you just take a little drill bit or a body reamer, drill all your holes out, and once all your holes are drilled out, you'll come from the back side with the screws sticking through, put these nuts on, hand tighten everything snug, and you're good to go. Now, we are offering a new thing on the site. We are going to offer the 6-inch Bunje cords. These guys are going to be able to be added to the order of your roof rack. You can add 1, 2, 3, 5. You can add as many of those bad boys as you like to your cart with your order. We're not going to come with any unless you want to add them. They do have pretty good stretch to them. They have good resilience. These hooks are pretty strong. I can't sit here and bend these with my finger. They're going to be good for you guys. They're black. They're going to look scale on here. Make sure all your stuff stays attached. It really is that simple to install. Takes you maybe 5 minutes. The hardest part is making sure you get that screw lined up in the center in the corner so it doesn't look like this on the truck. It's easy to line up though, guys. Self-explanatory. I'm not going to do an installation video for this because of how simple it is. You guys are smart. You guys are very intelligent human beings, and you know exactly how to install this bad boy. QCRC Overland Roof Rack Packet version for the Trx-4 Bronco and the Vanquish Phoenix coming very soon to a bench near you to be installed just in time for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. We're dropping a bunch of stuff on the site. You need to be updated with our social medias, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. Make sure you're update on the YouTube here on this platform. Make sure you're watching all of our stuff. There's going to be some secret things coming out to give you special coupon codes for this stuff. And since you guys are watching this video and you stayed till this part of the video, you have a beautiful special surprise. In this video, I am dropping a coupon code to get this bad boy. But guys, I know, I'm crazy, but I want you guys to have this. I want you guys to get it for Christmas. I want you guys to get it for Black Friday. Get a good sale. Not that we don't run a lot of sales on here, but not that I don't believe in sales either. It's just that our products are priced very competitively from the get-go. Taking some sale off will kind of just let you guys wait around till we have a sale to purchase products, and then that kind of makes it unfair for you guys because then you have to wait till Memorial Day, 4th of July, Black Friday to buy the products and stuff like that. That's why I try to not mark up anything. I make sure nothing's overpriced, make sure it's providing you as much value for what you're getting for your money. I know money is hard to come by, guys, and you want to make sure you're getting every dollar's worth. That's why we're trying to make it as affordable and value as possible. You're getting the full package here. I'm not really marking this stuff up. The place we're getting these from, I'm literally selling them to you for what we're getting them for, guys. I'm just trying to provide value for you. Make sure you have all the equipment you have to have a beautiful scale rig. Don't forget that coupon code. You're the only people watching this video, and it will expire soon. It expires the day after Cyber Monday, so you better hurry up and order. It expires Cyber Monday at 12 a.m. Cyber Monday. This coupon code expires. You better get in there and use it, man. In the coming weeks, though, please stay tuned. Like I said, there's going to be a ton of stuff coming out, a ton of more stuff coming out. Roof rack is going to be awesome. I'm very excited for this. Very excited for you to get your hands on it. Kaytlyn hasn't really had a hands-on experience with this, so I'm really excited to see her feedback and kind of get her take on this roof rack and see what she says. I'll see if she'll come in here and give me her feedback on camera right now for you guys. We have Kaytlyn in the hot seat right here, looking at the Bronco. Honey, what are your thoughts of this beautiful roof rack I have come up with?
I thoroughly enjoy it. I think the usability and functionality. The side here, if you can zoom in for me, just right here, we've got some holes throughout, and it doesn't affect the structure of it at all, but it does allow you to insert like a bungee cord in that little hole. And for me, that was a game changer because I am not a fan of not having a bungee cord over my stuff and like just hoping and praying that it stays with like some kind of other contraption. I really enjoy the bungee cords. They just make my life easier when we're on a trail, and you know, you're trusting that all the parts you have on the truck are going to get you through that trail. So yeah, I really enjoy it. I think that it was very well made. So thank you.
Oh, that's good stuff. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It was short, sweet, to the point. Didn't want to bore you, didn't want to waste your time. Just wanted to get this news out here to you guys and let you know what was happening. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a big like, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I told you in the first part of the video, man, 80-something% of you guys are not subscribed. It is mind-boggling. It's mind-boggling, man. Mind-boggling. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if I provided you value, entertainment, and answer some of your questions. You have an awesome day, morning, night, afternoon, however, and whenever you're watching this video. I thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch it. Love you guys. I will see you next time.